Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, you guys are ready. So are we ready for the match number 5 of season number 10? This is a 3-cup format, a one champion. Match number 5 between Velocity Strikers and All Stars. One team which has won the Silver Cup in the previous season. Let the bygones be bygone. And this is a new season. One team started with the win and the other team to open their account right now, that is All Stars. Let's straight away go to toss, what the toss has got in us for the bag. In the bag, here's the umpire, who shall be given the coin to All Stars captain Sridhar.
Tails.
Spins the coin, sees the call as tails, and tails it is. Let's hear it out from the captain of Velocity Strikers, Girish. They have elected to bat first. If you can come along here for a word, please. Any specific reason for bat, considering the conditions and the pitch status?
Just to see at the situation, the match gets over at 3 hours looking at the light. I think batting would be better.
You've already opened your account with the win. So how do you consider winning the first game and then this third game? Do you think any changes in the pitch drastically?
I've played in this pitch in the third match. During the end of the game, it gets very low. So that's one of the team is positive to start out batting.
So definitely, I mean, the toss is in your favor, what you like to do. So any changes in your team?
Yeah, I have 4 changes.
I wish you all the very best. You've done well and the toss to be won for. And let's go straight to the captain who was the toss, and usually you see his temperament in school, not your day or in toss.
That's okay, I think. I think now by the summer starting,
So any decision, I mean, with your confidence or something, will it be shaken with the decision of toss?
No, nothing. We are good with anything. We'll see how it goes.
How different is All Stars from season 9 to season 10?
So as you know, I mean, we had a few players playing for other teams in last season. Let's see how it goes. Because unless you play well on the day, you never know. You have to put your hard to play.
Definitely, that's the reason you'll be crowned as Silver Cup champion. So what have you kept your combination as? This is your first match.
Pretty simple. I think if you from last season
I wish you all the very best for your first game, and I hope that you perform well as well. Thank you. And this is the news from the centre. We've heard from both the captains where Velocity Strikers have won the toss and Captain Girish electing to bat first. Dances down the ground. He has found the gap now. Good shot to play. Straight. Ah, you beauty. How beautiful and elegant that shot is. High elbows. Has hit the ball high. They haven't got any fielder in that area. So surely will be a boundary. Boundary coming after too long. Catch is the call and the fielder has. And has hit the ball in gap. Nothing out of the hat. And there you go. He dances down the ground. This is what we've been talking about. Should optimally utilize any. He swept him cleanly. Clean sweep. And again. And again, he's picked 2 and 2. What is happening? Comes down the track. Where has it landed? Straight out of the boundary. Us. And lovely shot. The sweep. This is the sweet timing what we've been. And has found the gap. Will be a long chase for the fielder, but the fielder will give up. As played well. Now he's finding some shots. Some shots. And cleaned up. It's a half tracker. And with the half tracker, the hat trick will go away as well. And with the hat trick, boundary as well. For something around 130. Takes on, goes to the sky road. Can someone come in? Oh yes, the field. Has hit it hard, and will it be put away in the gap? And yes. Straight is the ball joining in the commentary box. Somewhere close. Fortunately. Has had firmly down the ground. No chance. And comes down. Heads hard. Where is it going? Where is it going? Sailing. Takes on. Good delivery. Where is it? Tried hard. And in hands. Good ball by Rama. Well, for the day. And straight away. Opening runs in the form of boundary with the inside edge. And a good shot. He's just clipped it off his pads to some men velocity strikers. The effort is from Prasanna, but the shot is effortless. It's just effortless. And yes, easily he's put it in the gap. He is, and so the bowler is. Punched off the back foot, and it'll be a wrong chase. And it'll be a complacent shot of Fully. It's taken on. And he'll put it away perfectly. Takes on. What a wonderful strike. Will be a long chase. Will he be able to get to the ball? Hit right hard, but the is headed. Save your legs for a shot like that. Save your legs. Takes on. And straight. And misfield. You don't expect this. You don't have too many extra. Has played again. The same shot, like I told you. He can do this. And again over the covers this time. This man is on groove. Has sit down and has swept it away cleanly. The ball's looped high in air. Without any question, this will be a 6. Goes downtown, and this time the fielder was brought inside and has taken that route. Was way too wide this time over everyone's head. They are certainly in a rush to. And will be a heavy chase for Sunil. Will he get in time? Will he? Tickled off, and with the shot 50. और ये कहाँ गई है गेंद? शायद यहां पर दर्शक होते। ये समाप्त। और ये मिलेगा गिफ्ट। लीजिए तोहफा, और पांडु ने किया कबूल। मैं पूछ, इन दोनों में दौड़ लगी। खोला, घुमाया, बहुत ही जोरदार तरीके से घुमाया है अपने बल्ले को और पॉइंट की दिशा में। And that's the closing statement. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the match number 5 post-match presentation ceremony. Let's begin with thanking our sponsors, Hill Rockers, R11, MSR Tipper Services, RR Stones, and Foursquare Sports Shop. Let's have a quick gist of the match, what had happened. Velocity Strikers winning the toss and electing to bat first, scoring 130 runs exactly and having the target of 131 on the fall of 9 wickets. Somewhere or the other, not filling the gaps exactly where they wanted to fill the grey area, but a long league for them. But all stars not twinkling with the small stars. They're exactly like the big meteors here right now, having 10 wickets victory whooping for them and scoring just in 11 overs, not even completing exactly remaining 2 balls for 11 overs. Let's straight go to the captain of the Velocity Strikers. Let's ask him what has gone exactly wrong today. Hard day, tough day for you, hard luck comparing to the first match.
So there's a lot of learning from whatever we did today. Bowling was not up to par. We had a good strength of bowling, but today it did not work out. Hard day for all the bowlers, but yeah, partnership also was not there. So initially it should have been 6 overs, 60 or 50 odd, but we could not make it.
The trend about the boundaries and all, we've seen some partnership building around, but eventually after the building of partnership, the wicket has fallen exactly. On that note, do you see that any recklessness of the shot, or is it about the temperament of the batsman?
It was about the temperament. I mean, we could have stayed there, we could have got the bowlers, and we could have got big shots later. Ground is small on the other end, we could have taken that advantage, but nevertheless, we covered some.
Definitely, because 3 more games are up for you. The quality you've shown in the first game is definitely missing. I hope that you really bounce back really good. Thank you. Thank you. And if you can stay along here for the felicitation of the man of the match. Let's get straight to the captain who's winning, Mr. Sridhar. And first win, you've sealed it. Hard season, and yeah, again, I guess the quality you've shown in this game was missing in the last season.
Exactly. I mean, I've always been saying to you, I mean, the way we are supposed to play, we were played in the last season. So happy that we came.
I mean, is it just like what is missing in the last season? Are you redeeming yourself? Are you straightly eyeing for platinum?
I mean, we can't say anything as of now. I mean, we just want to go one game by one game. So let's say today was a good day for us. Let's see how it goes.
After the openers, a quick note on the openers, and how about your bowling? 4 wickets for you in the bag, and you were on a hat-trick as well.
No, actually it was a dry pitch, so there was something for the spinners. So and we have a good spinners today, so in tandem. So and it worked out well. Thanks to keeper for giving me 2 stumpings.
Yeah, definitely. It's always with the bowler when he bowls well. So let's call out your man of the match, who took everything by a wild win, Mr. Pandu here. If you can join us. Everyone, round of applause. Firstly, congratulations. Girish to felicitate him with the man of the match. And if you guys can come in the center along with the winning captain as well too. You guys, all 3 of you. So, as the captain says, to have one. Hey, Shai. And yeah, that's it from the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 5. Catch it tomorrow.